guys, in today's video I'm going to share with you all how to make a masala pepper, something that you're going to eat with almost all of your curry dishes, Indian food, even bread and cheese. This recipe was shared with me from Danika's mom. So Danika's mom and Danika, thank you all so much for sharing this recipe. It smells so good right now, and they did tell me to warn you guys, eat it in small amounts because it's a very spicy. So let me show you guys how to put this together. So guys, I'm outside today because you want to do this outside, especially if you have kids. You don't want to make this inside. So I'm just gonna light my stove and put up a pot, just medium heat, and now I'm gonna go in with about 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. She said to add enough oil. Okay, when your oil is hot, we're gonna go in with chopped onions, some grated garlic. You want tons of onions and tons of garlic for this, she said. So I'm just gonna let the onions and the garlic saute in here for about a minute. I'm just gonna allow it to get a little light brown color because we're developing the flavor in the garlic and the onion. Now I'm gonna go in with the Amchar masala or black masala, and I'm gonna mix that in. And now we want this to cook for about 5 minutes on a low heat. Okay, so after that 5 minutes, now it's time to add in the peppers. It smells so fragrant right now. I'm gonna season with salt to taste, and we're gonna mix that. Mix really well, incorporate that masala with the peppers. So we want to allow the peppers to fry up in that oil for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now I'm going to go in with water. So after you've put in the water, you want to cover it and allow it to take its time on a low heat and allow it to cook for about 20 minutes until the peppers are tender. So guys, let's check the peppers after that 5 minutes. You want to still be able to see the peppers, it's not going to melt away. So the peppers are nice and soft. You want it to be really soft. So that's exactly where I want it to be. Now I'm going to turn the stove off. And the last thing we have to do is drizzle a little bit of mustard oil over this. The mustard oil is going to add some more flavor to this dish. I'm going to mix that in. And all you have to do is taste and adjust this for salt. And this is finished.